Bad, you see or not?
In this video, I'll show you how to export a portion of your timeline using Shotcut. So let's dive straight into the screen. If you're new to my channel, my name is James and I help you to leverage tech so that you can create greater impact in your life. Now I am using Shotcut version 20.11.28. So however, this technique would actually work with quite a number of versions of Shotcut. And as far as I know, I think Shotcut is going to release a new version pretty soon as well. So stay tuned for that and do check out the Shotcut website from time to time. Now, let's say I want to export this and I do not want to export everything on the timeline, okay? I just want to test my intro here and I want to see how it goes. Okay, so in order to export this section, what you want to do is head on over to the beginning of your track or head on over to the timeline menu, click on it, go to other and click on copy timeline to source. Okay, so let me just pause that. So right now you are at the source and you can actually edit it here or set your in and out points. Let's say I want to test the beginning of my video to somewhere around say 6 seconds here, right when the van passes through the screen. Okay, somewhere there. So I can set my out point, alright, and I'm going to do it using this method here. Okay, and I want the beginning to the out point. So next, what you want to do is to open up your export panel. Now a lot of times you are going to export from the timeline. However, for this purpose, we are going to export from the source. Right now, you can also change some of the other settings. For example, you want to change the advanced. Let's, for the purpose of this video, make this smaller. And you want to just have a rough idea what this looks like. Okay, so we're going to export this and click on Export File. So select a directory, so let's going to call it as video test, and remember always to add a FC for Final Cut for your videos. Alright, so let's export this and see what happens. Shouldn't take very long to export this, and we are done. Okay, so remember that our original clip is almost 12 seconds long, and for this that we trimmed off in the source file is only about 8 seconds. So let's open that file here. So right when the ambulance passes the bush over here, it stops. So that's how you can export a section or portion of your timeline using Shotcut. I hope that this video has benefited you. Do check out my list of tutorials. I have them all on a playlist right here on the screen right now. I do review other software as well, and you can also check out the playlist here or in the description below. I also have a course on how to use Shotcut to teach you A to Z how to get started, so that if you want to learn how to use Shotcut, do check out that. It is all in the description below.